Holy moly, sweet gum balls of fire.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about. Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Wolf Ridge Woodworking. This is my second entry because the batteries died and I shot the whole thing of making this, and come to find out today the batteries died and I wasn't recording audio. So I'll probably put some footage in right about now so you can see kind of what I did, but it's just pouring resin in here. But let me talk to you about what we've got. These are sweet gum balls. If you're not familiar with those, they are better known in my world as the bane of my existence, because when I was growing up cutting the grass in rural Georgia, these were on the ground and they're spiked balls that would be launched with the lawnmower. So when you get hit with one, it doesn't feel too well. So if you ever been mowing a lawn around sweet gum tree, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. But anyway, we've got, I want to say this was about 50 ounces of resin. I've chosen, violet and yellow and some pearl powder. And so what I've got is just a big mold. And so what we're going to do is we're going to turn this on the lathe. I do have a waste block in here, so we're going to mount that on the worm screw. So stay tuned to the end of this video and I will be announcing the winner for my 500 subscriber giveaway. So that's going to be pretty exciting. Hope you agree. So stick around, but let's get this on the lathe and start it turning. Well, I didn't have the camera rolling, unfortunately, but I don't know if the camera can pick it up or not, but it come flying off the lathe. I was just taking light cuts on the waste block and it just came off. And I don't know if the resin's weak from maybe not getting it poured properly. Maybe the sweet gum balls, it didn't fill in those cavities, so it's a little bit weak. I don't know. So I'm not going to try to glue those back in, but I'm going to try to, reshape it and maybe make the tenon a little bit deeper and see what she does. So let's see about reshaping this girl. right, so I just got it roughly sanded, so now I'm just taking this brush and just getting all the dust out, because I'm gonna mix up some epoxy to get down in these holes. So I just want to make it as clean as possible so the resin doesn't look cloudy. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm just gonna mix up some epoxy as soon as I get this cleaned out, and then we'll get it filled up and let it dry. Well, it's done. Let's talk about this for a minute, and then we'll get to the drawing for the 500 subscriber giveaway. So it's still a little on the thick side, and I may put it back on the lathe. I think it's a little thick. I just, you know, I honestly, to be honest, I just got tired of working on it. It's pretty hot in the garage. It was challenging because I don't think I mixed the resin well enough, but it's okay. I still think it's going to wound up being good. I just need to do a couple of things to it. One of them is I want to get some total boat epoxy where I've got some pumps, so I can just do small batches, so that I want to reshape this. And then I didn't get in the crevices with the epoxy as well as I'd like to have done. Plus, I think I need to take a little bit more resin off so you can see the sweet gum balls a little bit better. So anyway, so I'm going to do a little bit more work on it, but I'm going to call it done for now. I am going to be getting that purple and yellow resin shavings out of my shop for a while. It went all over the place. One thing that didn't help is I had the fan running, so it it blew it everywhere. But anyway, so through the light you can see some of it through the yellow at the bottom here. I guess you can't see me pointing in here, can you? It's not that clear, but anyway, inside here you can see through it. Let's pick our winner for our 500 subscriber giveaway. Let's copy our URL. Let's go over here, let's put it in, load up the comments, and then let's pick a random winner. And it looks like, Carol, you are the winner of our giveaway. Carol is a longtime subscriber, so thank you, Carol, for being a subscriber from just about the beginning. I really appreciate all of the other entries that people submitted, and thank you again. All right, now that we've got that laptop out of the way, let's just wrap up today's video. I'm sure you guys have heard me talk enough during this video, but again, I just want to congratulate Carol. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I really appreciate the support that the channel has received. If you're new to the channel and you want to see additional videos like that, click right here to see some additional ones. If you're not a subscriber and you'd like to subscribe, click up here to become a subscriber. Click that bell to make sure that you're notified when I upload a new video. And as always, I wish you and your family a blessed day. Thank you.